Hey out there on YouTube, how we doing today? I know, empty table, right? That means there's going to be something different today. So stay tuned right after we roll this intro, and we're going to get right into this video. Alright guys, as you saw by that opening, we're going to take a look at something by SOG. It's their Cash Card. Now, a little while ago, I brought the Gerber GDC, money clip to the channel. I'm going to leave a card for that right up there. That way you can take a look at that if you haven't seen that video and come on back to this one. And I was at Walmart with some out-of-town company, and they bought one of these. And after fiddling around with it, I went back and got one because I was like, okay, maybe it's a little underrated. But there it is in all of its glory, guys. The SOG Cash Card. Now, we're going to get into these wonderful stats like we always do, so bear with me, okay? It's got an overall length of about 6 1/4 inches. The blade is about 2.75 inches, and closed it's 3.5. Now, it's got a minuscule lightweight to it, like you would want for like a cash card, of 2 ounces. The blade steel is 8CR 13 MOV stainless steel with a Rockwell rating of 56 to 58. Now, I love the fact it's got the straight edge, clip point, and, basically everything else on here is stainless steel. It's got its little liner lock, and yep, there is nowhere on here it says made in the USA, so it's made in China per their website. Now, what I thought was cool is you can either use it as a small blade. I can see a value in having a small concealable blade. Or in essence, you can stuff your cash and everything else in there just like that, and it will keep it secure. Now, I'm sure if you disassemble this thing, because I'm seeing the screws here, that you can reverse that pocket clip so you can either make it a right-hand or left-hand carry. Now, I know there's not much to it. Okay, so this is going to be kind of a short little review, but that's right out of the box. Now, the cost on this guy, seeing how I picked it up at my local Walmart, I'm going to include that price today as well. Took a look on Amazon, SOG, and what I paid at Walmart. Amazon is $34.72. SOG is $47, and when I got it at Walmart before tax, $29.97. Now, we took a look at the ratings. I gotta tell you, this one, it made me go, okay, what in the hell? You'll see here just a moment. On Amazon, it's got a 4.7 star rating out of 5 with 120 reviews. Now, here comes the what the fuck moment. Both on SOG and on Walmart, 4.7 out of 5, both have 41 reviews. Here's my, what the fuck. Walmart used every review on SOG on their website. They go, by Damien in Atlanta, Georgia, per SOG. Maximus and, Sparta by SOG. So in essence, Walmart's copying SOG's reviews to bump its rating to try to make people buy it from their website. Interesting to me. But almost forgot that. I do like the little finger grooves in here. Seriously, it fits beautifully in your hand. And this is some really aggressive forward jimping up here. I mean, it's almost like a saw blade, But, that is my really, really quick overview on it. Because honestly, what can you say about a little mini knife that cuts and stores your money? Other than it cuts and it stores your money. But I want to know what you guys have to say. As usual, please, down below. Questions, comments, hatred, the usual love that you guys like to give me. I will respond to everybody because it's what we do. Now, if you're a first-time viewer of the channel, I want to thank you so much for spending a moment of your day to view this video. I know you got a lot of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very flattered you chose one of mine. Now, for you guys who haven't subscribed to my channel, get like the rest of the cool kids. There's going to be a little symbol popping up right down here. That's our, channel logo. Go ahead, click on that, and it's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you subscribe, please destroy the bell icon that's right next to it. That's going to notify you every single time we upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 of them are going to pop up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my channel that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My very quick overview of the SOG Cash Card. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have an enjoyable rest of your day.